Today is Wednesday. Y'all know what today is, Spaghetti day. I'm gonna get there for y'all. Collard greens, black-eyed peas, green beans, cabbage, corn, pinto beans. These things right here are pretty good, y'all. Pinto beans, they good. Gravy, smothered pork chops today. Y'all favorite, mac and cheese. That good old meatloaf. That go y'all's favorite right there. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Neck bones. Pig feet. Barbecue chicken. Baked chicken. And yams in a pot. Because our yams don't come out the damn can, so we got to cook them. They ain't ready yet. You know what I'm saying? And we ain't got glory greens. They right here. We cook them fresh. We ain't doing all that stuff around here. I don't know about the other restaurant, but here go y'all good old yams. Come get them. Bye.